If you need to quickly find content inside a Lucidspark board, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking for a specific word, phrase, sticky note, or piece of text on a busy board, Lucidspark's search feature can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidspark account and open the board you want to search. This is important because the search feature works inside the board you're currently viewing, so make sure you're on the correct project before you begin. Once your board is open, go ahead and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. As soon as you do that, a search box will appear on your screen. This is the fastest way to start searching inside Lucidspark without having to dig through menus or settings. Now, click into that search box and type the word or phrase you want to find. You can search for a single keyword, a project name, a note title, or any text that appears on the board. As you type, Lucidspark will start highlighting matching results automatically. That makes it easy to spot exactly where your content is located, even on a large or crowded board. If there are multiple matches, take a moment to review the highlighted results and navigate through them one by one. This is especially useful when your board has lots of ideas, sticky notes, or grouped sections and you want to jump directly to the right spot. The search tool helps you stay organized, work faster, and avoid wasting time scrolling manually through everything. So to recap, open your board, press Ctrl+F or Command+F, enter your search term, and then review the highlighted matches on the board. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can locate the content you need and keep moving with your work. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another practical tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.